These are a quick, relatively easy project tabletop display, and they all start with the base, which is the Dollar Tree foam dice. And I started with a 1/4 inch drill bit and drilled into the center, and but don't go all the way through. And then the dowel rods that they sell fit right into this, and they fit snug enough that I didn't have to glue them or anything. And then I just started decorating. I love the 4-pack of butterflies that they sell, and then had painted the base with some acrylic paints, and just used some the string and stickers and things like that that the Dollar Tree sells, and that was about it. It was pretty quick. I have mine displayed near a plant just to add a little more color, and I think these would be really cute for like a party for a centerpiece, or maybe even for wedding table or wedding numbers. You could use sunflowers instead of butterflies. There's a lot you can do.